Your life can change today. Do you ever feel stuck, like you're repeating the same routine, with no real progress? What if I told you that your life could change, starting today? In this video, I'll share 15 powerful self-improvement hacks that can help you become more confident, productive, and successful in all areas of your life. These are not just theories. They are practical steps you can start today. If you're ready to level up your life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more self-improvement content. Master your mindset. Your mindset determines your success. If you believe you can grow, you will. If you believe you are stuck, you will stay stuck. Hack number 1. Reprogram your thoughts. Change "I can't" into "How can I?" Use positive affirmations daily. Your mind listens to what you say. Speak power into your life. Hack number 2. Practice gratitude daily. Every morning, write 3 things you're grateful for. Focusing on gratitude rewires your brain for positivity. When you focus on what you have, you create more opportunities for success. Building powerful habits. Your habits shape your destiny. Success is not about luck. It's about the daily choices you make. Hack number 3. The 1% rule. Improve just 1% daily. Small progress leads to massive results. If you improve just 1% every day, in a year, you'll be 37 times better than when you started. Hack number 4. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This stops procrastination and builds momentum. Big success comes from small actions repeated daily. Time management and productivity. Your success depends on how you use your time. Every wasted hour is an opportunity lost. Hack number 5. The Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This method increases focus and prevents burnout. Hack number 6. Prioritize the 80-20 rule. 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. Focus on what truly matters. Stop being busy. Start being productive. Building discipline and willpower. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Winners rely on habits, not feelings. Hack number 7. The 3-second rule. When you feel hesitation, count 3, 2, 1, and take action. This prevents overthinking and builds action-oriented behavior. Hack number 8. Create a no-excuse environment. Remove distractions. If your phone is a problem, put it in another room. Surround yourself with people who hold you accountable. Your environment shapes your discipline. Make sure it supports your goals. Mastering health and energy. Your mind is only as strong as your body. Without energy, success becomes impossible. Hack number 9. Fix your sleep schedule. Sleep at the same time every night for optimal performance. Your brain repairs itself while you sleep. Never sacrifice rest. Hack number 10. Move your body. Daily exercise releases endorphins, making you more productive and focused. Even a 10-minute walk can boost creativity by 60%. A strong body fuels a strong mind. Take care of yourself. Mastering social skills and relationships. Your success is linked to the people around you. Surround yourself with winners. Hack number 11. Upgrade your circle. Distance yourself from toxic people. Connect with successful, positive, and ambitious people. Hack number 12. Improve your communication skills. Learn to listen more than you speak. Practice public speaking and expressing your ideas clearly. Your network is your net worth. Choose your relationships wisely. Mastering wealth and success. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, control, and security. Hack number 13. Create multiple income streams. Never rely on one source of income. Build multiple revenue streams. Start a side hustle, invest, or create something valuable. Hack number 14. Save and invest early. The earlier you invest, the faster your wealth grows. Financial freedom starts with smart money habits. The secret to financial success? Spend less, earn more, and invest wisely. Final secret to a great life. The final and most important self-improvement hack is hack number 15. Take massive action. Don't just learn, apply what you learn. The difference between dreamers and achievers is action. Knowledge means nothing without action. What will you do today? 7-Day Transformation Plan. Your 7-day self-improvement challenge. Day 1. Wake up early and plan your day. Day 2. Practice gratitude and reframe negative thoughts. Day 3. Eliminate one time-wasting habit. Day 4. Follow the 3-second rule and take action immediately. Day 5. Set a small, achievable goal and complete it. Day 6. Spend time with people who inspire growth. Day 7. Reflect on what changed and commit to lifelong improvement. Comment below. Which self-improvement hack will you start today? Like, share, and subscribe for more self-growth videos.